శోభ తెలుగు న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. వర్షం బీభత్సానికి ఢిల్లీ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ టెర్మినల్ 1 పై కప్పు కూలిన ఘటనలో ఒకరు మృతి చెందగా 8 మందికి తీవ్ర గాయాలయ్యాయి. దీనిపై కేంద్ర పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు స్పందించారు. ఘటనా స్థలిలో సహాయక చర్యలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయన్నారు. క్షతగాత్రులను ఆసుపత్రికి తరలించి వైద్యం అందిస్తామన్నారు. ఘటనపై విచారణ చేయిస్తామని చెప్పారు.
2009 and in 15 years it has collapsed.
Like you have said, this structure has been built in 2009 and what we have asked the DIAL, Delhi International Airport Limited also, is to do a verification inspection from their side, but we are not just leaving it up to themselves. The ministry, from the ministry we have DGCA also, which underlooks the safety aspect, so they will also be supervisioning this inspection and they will also give us a report. And from our ministry side, I can assure you that this is taken as a very serious incident also, not just in this airport but across the country. Any airports that are with similar structures, we will have to go through them all again, and we will do a thorough checking of all the necessary airports that can come under our purview, and we will take the necessary report, and we will see if there is a requirement for an independent body also. Compensation has also been announced, 20 lakh for the deceased and also for the injured 3 lakhs.
ऑपोजिशन ये आरोप लगा रहा है कि जल्दबाजी में यहाँ पर इनॉग्रेशन किया गया था, तो
इसके बारे में मैं क्लैरिफिकेशन दे दूं कि जो प्रधानमंत्री साहब जो इनॉग्रेट किया वो दूसरा बिल्डिंग है, दूसरी तरफ है. जो यहाँ कोलैप्स हुआ है वो 2009 में 2009 में पुरानी बिल्डिंग है. 2009 में जो उस टाइम ओपन हुआ था, तो उसके ऊपर जो इंस्पेक्शन करना है वो अभी करवाएंगे.
सर, विजुअल देखने में लग रहा है कि जो अंदर का आयरन बार से वो रस्टेड है, साफ दिखाई दे रहा है, उनपे पेंट भी नहीं है, तो इतनी लापरवाही कैसे थी?
हमें अब तुरंत हम कमेंट नहीं कर सकते, इसके ऊपर तो थरो इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना है. और जो टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट, जो फॉरेंसिक या सिक्योरिटी एस्पेक्ट जो देखते हैं बिल्डिंग का, वो सब अपना रिपोर्ट देंगे, तो उसके हिसाब से हम ये गवर्नमेंट का इतना तो मैं बता सकता हूँ, दिस गवर्नमेंट विल नॉट टॉलरेट एनी अनटुवर्ड एटीट्यूड. अगर कहीं पे कुछ लापरवाही रहेगी तो ये सरकार जरूर उनके ऊपर.
What is your assessment? What could be the reason behind this collapse?
That has to be. I just got to know in the morning, and since then we have been. First of all, we wanted no casualties to happen, and all the injured, if any of them, then we wanted to take proper care of them. So we are following that protocol, that we look after the injured first, and also the passengers. Whoever are supposed to be traveling from here, we wanted to give them assurance and safety, and also the convenience of traveling again. So that aspect we are taking care of right now. Any technical incidents that you are referring to will all be commented upon after the report comes.
T1 कब से ऑपरेशनल होने की उम्मीद है?
T1 कल तक हम पूरी तरह से इंस्पेक्शन करवाएंगे. अभी तो पूरा इवैक्यूएट कर दिया है, कोई आदमी नहीं है अंदर, तो पूरा बिल्डिंग का इंस्पेक्शन पूरी तरह से होगा. उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम लेंगे, तो इसलिए जब तक ये बंद है, अभी T2 और T3 से उनके ऑपरेशंस चालू होंगे.
राष्ट्रव्यापी अब ऑडिट भी इस तरह के मेजर एयरपोर्ट जहाँ हैं,
मैंने बोला है कि बाकी जगहों पर भी जहाँ पे इस तरह के स्ट्रक्चर्स होंगे उसके ऊपर भी एक बार देखेंगे.